Hey everybody, it's Sarah with Paint and Party. I am going to show you guys how I painted some cute little Christmas rocks. Just got a couple of snowmen and then this little simple reindeer. I am using some paint pens today. You could use any brand, or you could even use a paintbrush with some acrylic paints. But these are called Posca Pens. They're pretty amazing. You can use them on just about any surface, and they dry super fast and cover really well. So I love them, and I'm going to show you guys how I made these cute little rocks. So I'm going to start with the snowman. I've got my white pen here. Now when you first start out with the pen, there's no paint on there, so you have to like shake it and kind of push it down. But the way we do this is I'm just going to make myself a line where the hat is. And if you don't want to like use up all of your pen, you could do just like use a paintbrush with some acrylic paint on there, which would work just fine. Okay, so we've got the white on there. I'm going to use this turquoise for the hat. And all we're going to do is just come right up against the white and just fill the turquoise in the same as we did the hat, or the same as we did the white part. And you can paint the back, or you don't have to. It's up to you. And again, if you want to use turquoise acrylic paint to fill this little guy in on the top, you can. Okay. I think a lot of the fun part about doing these is that all the rocks are shaped differently. So you can do whatever, you know, whatever you want on them, but they all turn out a little bit differently, which I think is cool. These rocks I got at the Dollar General, but they have them a lot of places now, so they're pretty easy to find. Okay, so I'm gonna go at, sometimes that first coat just doesn't really get super covered with these pens. They do want a canvas, but not on the rock. So I'm just gonna go back over just on the front a little bit and just give it a little bit of a brightener. Just brighten it up a little bit, just because we're doing snowman, so we want it to be bright. Okay, so I want to put a little like stripe on the hat. So I'm going to use some red. And like I said earlier, these dry really fast, but make sure you're dry. And I'm just going to go right there in between the white and the blue. And just make a little line. Okay. I'm going to use my green paint, and I'm going to do some polka dots on the head, so I'm just dabbing those on. And again, you can use whatever color you want. I think that it would be super fun, like on Christmas, to keep the kids busy. Like you could do rock painting, let them dry, and then everybody could go hide them. I think that would be a fun game. Something to keep the kids busy. Okay, so we're going with black. And I'm just going to make some dots. Make sure your white is dry. And so I'm going to find the center, and then I want to do one to the right and one to the left. Okay. So there's his little eyes. And then I did two different kinds of mouths. I did the dots, and I did like a little swirl. But I think on this one I'm going to do dots. So I'm going to start in between the eyes. And I'm going to do two on each side. Okay. And then we've got orange. So I'm just going to make a little triangle. Go a little smaller than you think. You can always make it larger. Snowman. He's so cute. And they dry so fast. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys this cute little reindeer too. So he's got antlers, eyes, a nose, and then some little ornaments on the antlers. Okay, so I used brown for the antlers. And what I did is I just found the center of my rock. Okay, so you can go, maybe this side is more flat. So find the center, and then I'm going to make a line that comes up that way. that's kind of curved. I'm gonna come over a little bit. Now they're all gonna be different, right? Because everybody's rocks are different shapes, sizes, all that good stuff. So just make yours however you think it should go on your rock. And then we've got little baby antlers, so we're just gonna kind of angle. You wanna have a couple on there because that's where the little ornaments are gonna be. Okay, easy peasy. All right, so we're gonna do some eyeballs. So they are just right below the antlers. 1, 2. Okay. And a red nose for Rudolph. So I'm just gonna make a circle that's bigger than the eyes. And I think what I'm gonna do white and green for my ornaments, so they're just little circles. I just think that white will really pop on there. You could do gold. You could do anything. And I'll put green on here. And you could even write like on the back, you could put the year. Or you could write, you know, like a little message. You could put your name. You could do anything. You could write your business name. So paint and party. Okay, so I hope you guys thought that was fun. I love painting rocks. I think it's just a really fun gesture. I think there's, you know, in this world that we're in today, everybody could use a little sunshine and a little brightening of your day, and to look down and to see a painted rock could really change someone's day. So I encourage you guys to have some fun with it. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm always around. If you want to paint with me more, feel free to check out my website. It's paintandpartyindie.com, or you can find me on Facebook, Instagram, all the good stuff. So I hope you all have a great holiday, and I hope to paint with you again really soon. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.